Oh, that must have been
Can I have,
Oh. No dates without that, huh?
all up on one day?
Oh. Oh, let me check. I know he logged. Oh, there he is. All right, I got him.
Thank you.
All right, I'm ready when you guys are ready. I got three.
Yeah.
36th District Court, City of Detroit, State of Michigan, non-session with the Honorable Judge Ronald Giles presiding. You may be seated.
The party's ready on James Whitehead. Calling case number 2356032, the people of the state of Michigan versus James Whitehead. Defendant is charged with count 1, controlled substances, possession, cocaine, heroin, or another narcotic less than 25 grams. Count 2, alcohol, open container in a vehicle. This matter is scheduled for probable cause count.
Good morning, Judge Oxman, on behalf of the people, P number P86590.
George Shedrow, P41732, in behalf of Mr. Whitehead, who is present, and we agreed to do this hearing by Zoom, Your Honor.
Whitehead, can you state your name for the record, please?
Yes, James Kevin Whitehead.
Thank you, sir. All right, Mr. Shedrow, we send this matter for exam.
No, my client wishes to waive his permit examination, Your Honor.
People have any objection?
No objection. Okay.
All right. Mr. Whitehead, can you state your name again for the record, please?
James Kevin Whitehead.
Thank you, sir. All right, you understand that you have a statutory right to a preliminary exam where the state must show by probable cause a crime was committed and probable cause that you had something to do with committing that crime. You understand that?
Yes, sir.
Anybody promise you anything or threaten you in any way to get you to waive your right to preliminary exam?
No, sir.
You waive your right freely and voluntarily after having opportunity to talk to your attorney about it.
Yes, sir.
Do you have any objection to the court signing your name to the waiver form and initialing off?
No, sir.
All right, Mr. Schedule, do you have any objection to court signing your name to the waiver form?
I trust you, Your Honor.
Court will find that you freely and voluntarily waive your right to preliminary exam as bound over to Wayne County Circuit Court Criminal Division for arraignment on the information, which will be June 13th, 2023 at 9:00 a.m. Bonds continue.
Thank you, Your Honor. Mr. Whitehead, I'll talk to you later today.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Bye-bye.
Thank you.
Bye, everybody.
Calling case number 2356673, the people of the state of Michigan versus Kayla Quinney Carroll. Defendant is charged with count 1, weapons carrying concealed. This matter is scheduled for a probable cause conference.
Good morning, Judge. Alex Morning on behalf of the people, P number P86590.
Good morning, Your Honor. May it please the court, Dwayne Johnson, P 41842, on behalf of Ms. Quiney Carroll. And we are waiving an in-person appearance and are willing to appear by Zoom this morning, Your Honor.
All right, Ms. Quiney Carroll, can you state your name for the record, please?
Yes, Kayla Rhiann Quiney Carroll.
Thank you. All right, Mr. Johnson, you said this for exam or what?
Yes, Your Honor, we do want to set it for a preliminary exam.
June 5th at 9:00?
What day?
June 5th at 9:00?
I've got a matter in Oakland County at 9 in person. Can we make it about 11?
All right. Okay, 11:00, June 5th.
Okay, thank you, Your Honor.
Welcome.
Everybody have a good day now.
You too.
No. Oh, yeah.
Calling case number 2356748, the people of the state of Michigan versus Joe Webb. Defendant is charged with count 1, weapons carrying concealed. This matter is scheduled for a probable cause conference.
Good morning, Judge. Alex Morning on behalf of the people, P number P86590.
And good morning, Your Honor. Alyssa Segura with the Neighborhood Defender Service on behalf of Mr. Webb, P86432. Mr. Webb, do you state your name for the record?
Say that again, I couldn't hear you.
Can you state your name for the record?
Joel Webb.
Mr. Webb, so you know in the future, you're not allowed t-shirts or sweatshirts in my courtroom, even on Zoom. So
My
if you have-
apologies, Your Honor.
That's all right. So if you have to come back, just wear a shirt with a collar, okay?
Yes, sir.
All right, thank you. All right, Ms. Segura.
Yes, Your Honor. We would like to set this for an in-person preliminary examination.
June 5th at 9:00?
That works, Your Honor. And I would just let the prosecutor know that we are still missing digital discovery, but we do have the paper discovery.
Let me take a quick.
And you can just send that to the NDS discovery email, and then they'll send it to me.
Will do. I have your email. I'll send you digital right after PCCs are done.
Okay, perfect. Thank you so much.
Just
June 5th at what time?
9:00.
Okay, perfect.
All right, thank you. Bonds continue. Who's hearing?
Thank you. Have a good day, everyone. Mr. Webb, I will call you later to talk, okay?
Okay.
Okay.
Got 2 at that time, right?
Huh?
You got 2 of them at that time.
No, the other one was at 11:00.
Oh, that was
Queenie.
Kayla Caro?
Yeah.
She's at 11?
That's 11 o'clock.
Oh, I hit 9.
I'll put a 9 first, then they said to do it.
Okay.
That's all I have right now, teacher. Huh? Oh, that's, Miss Brittany Andrews. I don't have her attorney.
Yeah.
But here's Mr. Pope. I got all these names in the waiting room. I don't know if they're
Can you put a note in there to tell them to resubstitute?
Huh?
Can you put a note in there to tell them to rename
I
themselves?
did.
Oh,
They put their names on there, but they're not on the docket.
I see.
You tell them to call it.
Yes.
Morning, Mr. Pope.
Morning, how are you?
Good. What case are you on?
I have a Sean Hollowell.
All right. Are you ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Hold on, I didn't hear anyone. Sean. Calling case number 2356466, the people of the state of Michigan versus Sean Holloway. Defendant is charged with count 1, breaking and entering a building with intent. Count 2, larceny in a building. Habitual offender for notice. This matter is scheduled for a probable cause conference.
Good morning, Judge. Alex Lane on behalf of the people, P number P86590.
Your Honor, may it please this honorable court, Larry Polk on behalf of Sean Holloway. Judge, I don't know, he's in the Wayne County Jail. Is he present this morning?
Not yet. You
All
wanna
right,
wait for him? Wanna waive his appearance?
I can waive his appearance, Judge.
All right, thank you. Court will waive his appearance for the purpose of this hearing.
And I have a discovery, so I'm asking for a preliminary exam.
All right, thank you. Are you available June 5th at 9:15?
No, I'm not, Judge. I have a matter in Clawson, which is Troy, 8:30.
I think can get here about 10:30?
10:30 looks like it'll be good. I have another exam already scheduled there, so I think 10:30 will be fine.
Okay.
Okay.
All right, if there's an issue, just give us a call.
All right,
okay?
no. Okay, I will. Thank you so much.
All right, thank you.
All right, have a good day, you and your staff.
You too.
You said it,
Yep.
220. Yeah. What is? No, that's not it. Yeah, that's probably. It should start with, here. and then 0. Okay. 0. Then it should. Yeah, it should be. Does it say file number? Well, spell your first name. Oh, your case was dismissed. That is 13. That's the case you're talking about? Oh, okay. Oh, you should be in Judge McConicle. You got it? All right. Have a good day. Oh, I'm sorry, Counselor, good morning.
Good morning.
What case are you on?
I am here on Miss Anderson. I was just actually able to speak with Miss Anderson for the first time around 15 minutes ago, and she is currently in the courthouse, I believe, right outside of Your Honor's courtroom.
Yes, she is. You ready?
We are. And Your Honor, I have spoke with my client. I believe she has come straight from the hospital with regards to her attire. I think her baby is currently on the ICU.
Claim on dress code.
Ready?
We are.
Calling case number 2356960, the people of the state of Michigan versus Sydney Anderson. Defendant is charged with count 1, assault with a dangerous weapon, felonious assault, count 2, weapons, felony, firearms. This matter is scheduled for a probable cause conference.
Good morning, Judge. Alex Winning, we have the people being repeat 86590.
Good morning, Your Honor. Alexandra Choate with the Neighborhood Defender Service of Detroit, P 85948, appearing on behalf of Ms. Anderson, who is currently present in the courtroom. Ms. Anderson, if you can hear me, if you could just say your whole name for the record.
Sydney Anderson.
All right, it's your pleasure, Counsel.
Your Honor, we have received paper discovery in this matter. I will be filing a motion for the digital discovery. I have not yet received that, but we would just request a preliminary exam date.
June 5th at 9:15.
That is perfect, Your Honor.
I sent digital, can send that to you too.
I appreciate that. Thank you.
All right, I'll continue.
Perfect. And I will give you a call, Ms. Anderson, once you leave the court.
Yeah, it's your voice, speak to
Ms. Choate said she explained to her my strict dress code. So she knows I'm dressed when she comes back. No, I understand, but right now you're in my courtroom.
Yeah, I know.
So
Yes.
when you come back, don't, you're not dressed.
Okay, thank you.
All right, take care.
And I will, Your Honor. Thank you. Have a good rest of the day.
Okay. All right, you too.
Courtroom. Courtroom 233. I'm sorry. Judge Giles. Yeah, we can't. Hold on. Morning, Wayne County Jail.
Good morning.
Who do you have?
Denzel Rogers.
Denzel Rogers. Okay, we're just waiting on your attorney, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Denzel Rogers.
And good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning, Mr. Wallace.
Good morning, Judge.
He's on the co-defendant of Denzel Rogers.
Oh, okay.
I'm trying to do house counsel over in Judge Taylor's court too at the same time.
All right, well, we're just waiting on the attorney for Mr. Rogers, and we'll get you in and out.
All right, sounds good.
Huh? Huh? Hello? Okay. Okay, what date did it come for? What's the name? Where am I? Mhm.
Heard from Mitchell or Fuquabe.
Nope. Bay, out for Bay. Called, he was trying to log on, he said they told him to log on Zoom. Courtroom 233 for John Paul. Yeah. What is your case number, sir? Okay, your case was. You'll see it now. I'm just kidding, Judge Johnson. All right, who you with?
Okay. You said you want to use. Okay, but I'm gonna do that. I got you. Should. Okay. Okay, appreciate it. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, yeah, I know the chop shop. Yeah.
Ms. Mitchell's going straight to work. The attorney. Oh, King is on the.
Yeah, the 19.
It's ringing now, it's going to voicemail. Ms. King? Ms. King?
Hi, can you hear me?
All right, you gotta take that bonnet off your head, you're in court.
Okay. My hair.
Mr. Wallace, did you need a breakout room with your client?
No, I'm good.
All right. Oh, so Judge, Mr. Fuquan Bay did call, was trying to log down, but I told him to come down, so he said he was coming down. Did call rather early to try to log down. I want to say it's about 8:30, he did call. He said they took him downstairs, he was supposed to log down. Somebody on the phone. Ms. Mitchell, Attorney Mitchell is not answering. Okay. We try calling her again.
No, she'll soon. We'll just get another turn. Second one.
Yeah.
Oh.
This is cool.
Okay.
Yeah, 2 cases.
Yeah, the other one, special caution. I'm doing the first one, it's just.
Okay, let's see.
The chop shop.
You're right.
He's just doing the first, second, chop shop, and that's the special.
That's Toby.
That's sure.
Oh, that's right.
We wait now, who's his, oh. That's the defender. Try calling. Let's see, this is Earl Washington, maybe. See if this is okay. Good morning, Mr. Washington.
Yes, good morning.
What case are you on?
Yeah, I have Denzel Rogers. I guess does he have 4 cases?
Oh, you know what? Yeah, in total, he does have 4. Judge, he's got 2 today, but he's got 2 more scheduled for June 1st. He does have a total of 4.
You got the other ones now already?
Yeah, okay.
Oh.
So Kayla, I think Kayla King, let me check, I think she's only on 1. Let's see. Okay, she's on this one. You ready? I'm sorry, you ready, Kim?
I am.
Calling case number 2356979, the people of the state of Michigan versus Denzel Rogers. Defendant number 1 is charged with count 1, robbery armed, count 2, larceny from the person, count 3, weapons, dangerous weapon, carrying with unlawful intent, count 4, weapons carrying concealed, count 5, assault with a dangerous weapon, felonious assault, count 6, weapons felony firearm, count 7, weapons felony firearm, count 8, weapons felony firearm, count 9, weapons felony firearm. The people of the state of Michigan versus Kayla King, defendant number 2 is charged with count 1, robbery armed, count 2, larceny from the person, count 5, assault with a dangerous weapon, felonious assault. Also calling case number 2357026, the people of the state of Michigan versus Denzel Rogers. Defendant is charged with count 1, robbery armed, count 2, larceny from the person, count 3, weapons, dangerous weapon, carrying with unlawful intent, count 4, assault with a dangerous weapon, felonious assault, count 5, weapons, felony firearm, count 6, weapons felony firearm, count 7, weapons felony firearm, count 8, weapons felony firearm. Also calling case number 2357029, the people of the state of Michigan versus Denzel Rogers, defendant is charged with count 1, stolen property, receiving and concealing motor vehicle, count 2, stolen property, receiving and concealing motor vehicle. Also calling case number 2357032. The people of the state of Michigan versus Denzel Rogers, defendant is charged with count 1, robbery armed, count 2, larceny from the person, count 3, weapons, dangerous weapon, carrying with unlawful intent, count 4, assault with a dangerous weapon, felonious assault, count 5, count 6, count 7, weapons, felony firearm, count 8, weapons, felony firearm. These matters are scheduled for probable cause conferences.
Good morning, Judge. Alex Renner, we have the people, P number P86590.
Good morning, Your Honor. Earl Washington, Neighborhood Defender Service, P31383, representing Mr. Denzel Rogers on all cases.
All these cases.
Good morning, Your Honor. Ted Wallace, P80922. Good morning to your staff as well. I'm here representing Ms. Kayla King.
Yeah, that case.
Rogers, state your name for the record, please. I can't hear you. You're on mute.
Denzel
Rogers. Okay, hear you now. Thank you. Yes. All right, Ms. King, can you state your name for the record, please?
Kayla King.
All right, Ms. King, so you'll know in the future, I don't do t-shirts in my courtroom. I don't do t-shirts, I don't do sweats. All right?
All right.
I ain't gonna eat this shit. All
right, so this matter for exam?
Yes, Your Honor.
No, seriously, how did he know our control?
June 5th at 11:15.
June 5th at 11. Okay.
Okay. That, yeah, appears to be a good day.
Oh.
Sounds good.
Yo, this model and technology stuff.
All right, thank you, Your Honor.
He's in that way. I don't know what.
Ms. King, you're all set. Did you get your date? June 5th at 11:15
Okay.
in person.
Where at?
36 District Court, courtroom 233.
Okay.
You're all set, Mr. Rogers. You can let the deputy know.
Yes, and can I get the court date again? My screen was kept on glitching.
June.
June 5th at 11:15.
All right, thank you. I'm sorry.
That's okay.
Bring in Mr.
Oh, he's out.
He's out there. And then I got I got Miss Andrews.
Yeah, I'm doing the special prosecutor, RC.
Huh?
Special prosecutor. That was supposed to show up. The town shop. Special prosecutor.
Show up quick, so I'm gonna get you minutes.
Oh, no. They haven't checked it.
Oh, yeah, exactly. And,
So which one is,
They'll just reissue it. And I talked to Giles. So
yeah. Good morning, counselor.
Good morning. How are you today?
Good. Your client is here in person.
Oh, okay. Right.
Yeah. Mr. Thompson, we're waiting on your attorney, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
I'm sorry, 233.
of detectives when y'all called.
Oh, where's, your client?
He out in the hallway.
Oh,
Right.
you can bring him in.
You bring Mr. Bayer.
Mr. Miller, who's Mr. Miller was?
Judge, can I have a moment? Can I approach you? Can I approach you? The chop shop case, special prosecutor. Friday, and he hasn't got back, and so, I don't know if he did work with his schedule, but I'm gonna move.
Okay, well, then we're-
Yeah, I'm gonna move to, I'm gonna
Okay.
dismiss it, we're not gonna, I'm gonna dismiss it, because I'm not, we don't do chop shop. So.
All right.
Yeah, so they brought him over.
So you talked about, oh, you emailed.
I emailed him.
Yeah, yes.
He hasn't got back, and I talked to Laura on Friday.
All right.
I know his name once I got the email, but specifically he does that, like he's supposed to do that, be aware of it, so I'm just gonna email him and say, please, dismiss the hearing after one's reissued, get his answer. Okay.
Huh?
Do both of them.
You want me to call him though, cause it's only one prosecutor?
Oh, thank you. So that was.
No, we're doing, competency, Miss Andrews will then do next.
Was this the second? That's perfect.
This is the first one.
Okay.
Okay, this is for.
You ready, Kim?
I am.
Yeah, we're ready. I'll get it. I'll fill it
Yeah,
out.
we'll figure it out.
Calling case number 2159017, the people of the state of Michigan versus Pierre Fuqua, defendant is charged with count 1, stolen property, receiving and concealing motor vehicle, count 2, police officer fleeing third-degree vehicle code. Also calling case number 2056938, the people of the state of Michigan versus Pierre Fuqua, defendant number 1 is charged with count 1, motor vehicles operating a chop shop. Count 2, stolen property, receiving and concealing. Count 3, stolen property, receiving and concealing motor vehicle. Count 4, stolen property, receiving and concealing motor vehicle. Count 6, motor vehicles. Count 7, motor vehicles, concealing or misrepresenting identity with intent to mislead. Count 8, police officer assaulting, resisting, obstructing. Count 9, police officer fleeing third degree. Count 10, count 11, count 12, count 13, count 14, weapons from a firearm. These matters are scheduled for examination.
Good morning, Judge Alex running on behalf of the people, P number P86590.
Good morning, Mayor. Please, the most honorable court, Raina Mitchell appearing on behalf of the defendant who's standing to my right. Please state your name for the record.
Thank you.
People are unable to proceed due to insufficient evidence.
Your Honor, at this time, we're asking for the case to be dismissed.
That's, which case are we
The
talking about?
case we're talking about is the RNC vehicle and flaming vehicle. Scheduled at 9.
21.
So that's 21.
Yeah.
59017. All right, now it's dismissed now. Just need a dismissal form, please. Dismissal.
There we are. One.
All right. Now, as to case number 2056938. What are we doing?
The people asked for a dismissal without prejudice, as I have reached out to the prosecutor who is assigned to these cases and has not gotten back to me.
Your Honor, we're asking for a dismissal with prejudice, due to the fact this case is extremely old, Your Honor. It is from, I believe, 20, Your Honor? Yes, from the year 2020. Your Honor, this has been 3 years. I know, I'm just making a record, Your Honor. So, and they're not here today, so if they were concerned, they should be here today as well.
No, but I haven't heard this case, so I don't know the facts on it. I have no authority to dismiss it without with prejudice. So I'll dismiss it without prejudice. I don't have authority with it.
I'm gonna have to do me some research and figure out what y'all need to do with prejudice, so y'all.
Facts. I gotta hear the facts. I get the facts of the case. You know,
Oh, after
and
you hear
if
the testimony.
they don't fit at all, I'll dismiss it with prejudice. So they won't bring it back. But, you know, or if it's the wrong person, or if, you know, a number of factors can go in place, but I have to have information. I don't have it. You know, and I don't have anything on the record at this point. So, other than argument. So, I have to dismiss without prejudice.
Thank you, Judge. All right, we need to fill the form out for y'all.
Get it right here.
Ms. Mitchell, can I have your number, please?
68989.
Thank you.
Oh, I have it. Oh, 233, this one's very good. It's coming, he's gonna say that. Mr. Cole, Mr. Cole.
Ms. Mitchell? Ms. Mitchell, Ms. Mitchell.
I'm sorry, Judge.
On the form?
Keep filling it out.
No.
The prosecutor.
Oh. Okay. I'm sorry.
You have a tether? Yes, he has a tether. Your Honor, we're making a motion to have the tether removed.
Just take the dismissal form and a copy of the register of action over there and then remove it.
Thank
She's gonna take you. So.
All right, thank you.
Mr. What? You would maybe step outside, and wait for your attorney. She would have to take it.
GILC. Special prosecutor.
Oh, is that?
Yeah, don't leave, we gotta get your documents to get the tether out of the way and carry out order.
But it's not his case.
Yeah, I know. Reason why.
Did he dismiss it or she motioned to dismiss it? Oh, you dismissed this?
Yes.
So you put special prosecutor case, that's not a way.
Yep. Let me.
You want me to get another?
Yeah.
form?
Yeah. I have got my name right.
Oh. That's it.
All right.
Thank you.
Mr. Miller, I have you checked in. Your client is on. Did you need a breakout room?
Yes, please. I tried to put it in chat.
Oh, okay. Mr. Thompson?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with your attorney, okay?
Great.
You gotta accept the invitation. We ready on Brittany Andrews?
Ready.
Calling case number 22-60845, the people of the state of Michigan versus Brittany Andrews. Defendant is charged with count 1, malicious destruction of a building, $1,000 or more, but less than $20,000. Habitual offender, second notice. This matter is here on a return competency hearing.
Good morning, Judge Alex Wing, on behalf of the people, P number P86590.
Good morning, Your Honor. Jabari Prempeh, P81745, on behalf of Mr. Brittany Andrews, who is present in the courtroom. Mr. Andrews, would you please state your name for the record?
Ms. Andrews, can you move up, please? I can see you. Thank you. What? We still don't have a report. What do you mean?
Your Honor, if I may?
Go ahead.
I was able to reach out to the CFP late last week. They indicated, unfortunately, that she's going to need, Mr. Andrews, excuse me, is going to need a re-referral. For some reason, they did not get the court's order or referral.
The only issue here, competency to stand trial?
Yes, Your Honor.
Oh, okay, no, okay. Let's see report.
And actually, it was criminal responsibility.
That's a trial issue, that's not an exam issue. Criminal responsibility would be a trial issue, not an exam
Fair enough,
issue.
Your Honor. Yes, then it
I
was.
don't, hold on. I don't, it says see report on competency to stand trial. I don't even have that.
Right. At the last setting, Your Honor, yes, there was a referral. You did refer, I'm sorry, and it was, yes, for competency to stand trial. Unfortunately, again, they said they did not receive the court's order.
Oh,
All right, this matter is gonna be re-referred for competency to stand trial and criminal responsibility. We're gonna have a competency hearing date on August 1st, 2023 at 8:30 a.m. That will be on Zoom. All right. Ms.
Your
Andrews, when
Honor,
you, hold on, Ms. Andrews, when they, the CFP, which is the Center for Forensic Psychiatry, is gonna contact you. You have to go out there to be interviewed by them, all right? Say yes?
I have to be interviewed by.
Yes. This is ask for a referral for competency to stand trial. They have to do an examination.
Again,
They already did one?
yes,
When?
like last year.
Your Honor, we hashed this issue out actually at the last setting. And after the hash out, we decided that a re-referral was necessary. So yes, she did previously have one, but she needed an updated evaluation. And further, Your Honor, unfortunately, on the first, I'm due to be on a family vacation. The next week I would be available.
Well, August 8th then.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Andrews, they're gonna have to do it one more time. They never sent a report in for whatever reason. And that would have been, gotta be at least 6 months ago, if not more. I see my order when we were in court in February, but they claimed they didn't get it. Okay. All right. Well, we're gonna make sure they get this one, and then they'll be contacted. All right? All right, thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Judge, I think what it was, she was found incompetent at Frank Murphy.
We never got a report.
We never did one for her.
Huh?
We didn't do one for her. We just did criminal responsibility. Because they, if I can remember, that's why she said she went last year, that's when she was found incompetent to Frank Murphy. So that's why there's some criminal responsibility.
All right, well, then they should be redoing reports on her status, what is your thought? I think it's into something.
What date do we give them?
Yeah, I think that's why
Okay.
this was put in. PC required housing and child. And that's Frank Murphy's number. Oh, no, that's our number. No, that's a different case. That's a different case. I don't know, anyway.
Yeah, they gotta send us something, they can't just not do anything.
What's up?
We got Mr. Miller on.
Oh, yeah, he's out of Thompson. But that's a special prosecutor. Alex,
Yes.
I'm sorry, have you heard from Laura?
I'm gonna step in for Laura. She gave
Oh,
me dates
okay.
to, what will work for.
Okay. Well, I'm ready on Thompson, this is the last PCC.
Perfect.
Ready, Kim? Yep. Calling case number 2356971, the people of the state of Michigan versus William Thompson Jr. Defendant is charged with count 1, assault with intent to murder, count 2. Count 2, assault with. Okay. Is that yours,
Two
Kim?
devices on, no, some of the,
That's
I've
you?
got 2 devices on. I haven't changed them.
Count 2, assault with intent to do great bodily harm, instant murder, or by strangulation. Count 3, assault with a dangerous weapon, felonious assault. Count 4, weapons, firearms, possession by a felon. Count 5, weapons, felony, firearm. Count 6, count 7, count 8, weapons, felony, firearm. Habitual offender, second notice. This matter is scheduled for a probable cause conference.
Good morning, Judge. Alex Wingus stepping in for the attorney Laura Nersessian. My P number is P86590.
Good morning, Your Honor. J. Grant Miller, P58658, on behalf of Mr. Thompson, who appears via Zoom.
Mr. Miller, I do my exams at 8:30. We had this conversation before.
Yes, Your Honor.
We're gonna have it again, all right?
Yes, Your Honor.
Mr. Thompson, can you state your name, please? For the record?
Yeah, William Thompson.
Thank you. Let's send this matter for exam.
Yes, Your Honor.
June 5th at 10 o'clock.
Your Honor, I'm scheduled to start a Tier 2 trial on the 5th. My defendant's been in custody for 3.5 years. Word number 1. Is it possible to try and do it later in that week, possibly Friday? The trial might be done by then.
The 7th and the 8th, anytime works for the attorney I'm stepping in for Laura Nersessian. In the afternoon on the 9th works too.
What about June 2nd that's this Friday at 10 o'clock?
Your Honor, I currently have 12 matters scheduled at Frank Murphy from 9 a.m. until noon. Is it possible we could do it Thursday?
We could do the 9th at 9 o'clock. Are you available?
I will make myself available, Your Honor.
Is there any times other than 9 o'clock? The attorney I'm stepping in said afternoon, so.
I'm not doing afternoons.
Times available on each side, if they're doing anytime, morning works those days.
June 8th at 9 o'clock.
That works for the people.
Will June 8th at 9:30 work for you?
Your Honor, I'll probably still be in that trial. There are at least 16 witnesses. I just know the court doesn't do them on Fridays.
You can't get Mr. Stephanie in here.
Yeah.
She can't get a date. I'm just gonna give her a date. She's gonna be stuck with it.
Okay, I'll let her know. I don't know if you can look into the 12th or the 13th, but she said she's available those days too.
Your Honor, I'm scheduled to start trials every Monday or Tuesday on holiday weekends in the near future. And by that, I mean the next 5 months. Most of my clients have been in custody for multiple years and are finally getting their trial dates.
All right, well, I'll let it know. You just need to get on now, or I'm just gonna give a date.
Okay, let me.
I'm not sitting around waiting forever. This is her case. She's supposed to be here.
I'm sorry, is this still on my case?
Yeah, we're still on your case. We're trying to get the prosecutor that's assigned to this case on. Just hold on, please.
Okay, yeah, no problem, not a problem.
Yeah. Oh, that's his one. Oh. Oh. I had to do it my own way. But,
All right here.
No.
Still doing it. Get you one minute.
Okay, no problem. Thank you. Hello, Laura. Yes, so easy.
yeah.
She's in Judge Jefferson, she's coming.
All right, we're gonna recall this, Mr. Miller and Mr. Thompson. She's, the prosecutor's in the courtroom. She's just in another court, so she'll be down in a few minutes. So we recall it to get that date.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Oh, boy, been a long time.
Yeah, how you doing?
A lot of changes.
I got a streak going now. It was for the winter, but now I kind of like it. Keep it up. How's everything been going?
All right. Started growing it out a little bit. It got too hot. I haven't cut it off.
See, today's got me thinking about it.
He came in, he said, "Yo, mom." I said, "Whoa." Yes, yes, yes.
Hi, Judge.
All right.
I'm doing all right. How are you?
Okay. All right, hold on. This is recalling case number 2356971, People State of Michigan versus William Maurice Thompson Jr.
Good morning, Judge. Laura Intercession on behalf of people.
Hold on, looks like we lost Mr. Miller. Miller?
Oh, no, he's still on.
Hello, Mr. Miller, you still there?
No, I think he stepped away. He's not on there. His camera's off and he's muted.
Okay, it's muted. All right, I'll give him a minute to come on back. I'll recall this in 1 second. Let's do Mr. Davenport.
Yeah, maybe.
He might have went switched to another courtroom.
All right, who was listening?
We'll recall in 1 second.
Okay.
Well, this is interesting. Okay.
Your Honor, can I ask a question?
Not yet, should wait till the attorney comes back on.
He's back.
You ready, Kim? I am. Oh.
Hold on, let's hold on real quick. Hold on.
Okay. Which one we doing?
Mr. Davenport.
Okay. Calling case number 2356394, the people of the state of Michigan versus LaQuez Oliver. Defendant is charged with count 1, weapons carrying concealed. This matter is scheduled for exam. Defendant has failed to appear.
Good morning, Judge. Alex Raymond, on behalf of the people, P number P86590. Good morning, Your Honor. Curtis Davenport, P82678, on behalf of Mr. LaQuez Oliver, who is not present today.
You had any contact with them?
I have not, Your Honor. The information I was provided only provided him with provided me with an address. I made contact with the address earlier today, and I spoke with his mother. However, I did not get a chance to speak with him. She said she was going to try to get in contact with him, and so I will hope to plan on walking him in shortly, either today, tomorrow, or soon. But at this point, I have not spoken with him.
All right.
The people motion for Kate.
All right, Cambridge shall enter, any bond previously submitted shall be forfeited. Any bond set, $30,000 cash. Thank you, Ron.
Thank you, Judge.
All right, take care, Mr.
Everybody have a good day. You know what, KK.
All right, this is recalling 2356971, and that's the people of the state of Michigan versus William Maurice Thompson.
Good morning, Your Honor. Laura Intercession on behalf of the people. P67104.
Good morning, Your Honor. Jay Grant Miller, P58658 on behalf of Mr. Thompson.
All right, we're trying to work out a date for the exam.
Judge, I'm not available the morning of June 9th. I will be in circuit court. I'm available in the afternoon of June 9th. I'm available all day June 7 and June 8, as well as the afternoon of June 6.
Really, you're not available June 7th and 8th, correct?
Your Honor, I'm going to be in a trial.
Yeah, but you said you're gonna be in a trial for the next 5 months?
Your Honor, my 19 and 20 case clients need their trial dates, so unfortunately, yes.
That's not what I asked you, Mr. Miller. That is not what I asked. Ask you a very simple question.
Through September, I have availability in October.
Mr. Miller, there's a standard rule in every courtroom. When the court talks, you don't. So please do not talk over me again. If I ask you a question, just answer the question. It's not that hard.
Yes, Your Honor.
You're not available for the next 4 to 5 months except on Fridays. Is that correct?
I am not available until October, except on Fridays, Your Honor.
Okay, well, I'm not waiting that long. You know, when you accept a case, when your agency accepts the case, they accept the dates. So they need to sign someone that can be here when the dates that were provided. You can't do it, I'm not waiting till October. I have to get someone else who can.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right? And we're gonna call and get someone else.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you. Mr. Thompson, hold on. We're gonna have to call and get someone else to represent you that can be here. Before October.
Do I have to go back into a breakout room with another attorney or?
Yeah, you'll get it, once they come on, you get an opportunity to talk to them. They'll want to get your information and all that, so that they can, you know, have a good talk with you other than just on Zoom. All right?
Okay. Thank you.
But hold on, we gotta call across and get somebody else to sign.
Okay, thank you, Your Honor.
Hold on, Ms. Cynthia, this is set for the 8th. Are you available the 8th?
I am available the 8th, Judge.
Okay,
Thank you.
all right, thank you. Is your people here?
Yes.
Is somebody, what is this for that? There you go. This one's good. Here we go.
Morning, Judge.
Good morning, how you doing?
I'm good, yourself?
Hanging in there.
Don't want your job.
Huh?
But I would never want your job. Ever.
Sure, it's 82-237-106-5301. No, so they can just log on. Yes. Thank you. All right. send it off to, have some of all of that. This is Comer, right? Calling case number 2356715, the people of the state of Michigan versus Aaron Comer. Defendant is charged with count 1, weapons, firearms, discharged from a vehicle. Count 2, weapons carrying concealed. Count 3, assault with a dangerous weapon, felonious assault. Count 4, assault with a dangerous weapon, felonious assault. Count 5, assault with a dangerous weapon, felonious assault. Count 6, count 7, count 8, count 9, weapons felony firearm. Count 10, operating impaired. Count 11, failure to stop after a collision. This matter is scheduled for examination.
Good morning, Judge. Alex Moore, on behalf of the people, P number P 86590.
Good morning, Your Honor. Respectfully, Jihad Gaddafi, 82492, appearing on behalf of Mr. Comer, who stands before this court. Your name for the record, sir.
Aaron Comer. Thank you. All right, ready to proceed?
The people are unable to proceed as the necessary witnesses have failed to appear.
In light of that, Your Honor, we motion the court to dismiss this case without prejudice or lack of complaining witness on the people.
Dismissed without prejudice.
Thank you, Judge.
Thank you. Have a good one, Judge.
All right, you too now. Take care.
Well, the accountability is a.
Why are defense attorneys always put the wrong case number? What do you got?
What do you think about? And now that any of us out there.
These knuckleheads could get all kinds of wine in the world to get here.
Like a piece of paper.
Maybe I'm just complaining here. What do you got to complain about? You say you need to go. That's right. Yeah.
What's the name?
Bring it
Yeah,
down. Complain,
yeah,
and you have a change. Right.
Yeah, it was dismissed.
Right. It's got no complaint.
Since already. Yeah, yeah, he did call me. You're welcome.
Tony Bitter said.
What?
Like 10 minutes ago.
What? Think you listen?
Yeah.
Did, where did his attorney go?
Mr. Goff?
Yeah.
Is Mr. Goff still out there?
You don't want his dismissal now? Okay.
Right there, did you say, just had to? I'm staying.
hear me. Good morning, Miss O'Mara.
Good morning.
Are you on, Thompson?
Yes, I just got spot appointed.
All right, cool.
There she is. Oh, who was those lovely cats?
Are them your cats in the background?
Those are real.
They're just, are they real?
They're real, but it's just a photo. They would insist
Oh,
on that for so long.
They're so still.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking. There's right, don't
Like our
move.
cats.
So Mr. Thompson is on. Did you need a breakout room with him?
Yes, please.
All right. Mr. Thompson,
Yes, I'm still here.
okay, I'm putting you in a breakout room.
Okay, that's fine.
All right.
Thank you.
Uh-oh, I think I put you in the wrong breakout room.
This is
Oh,
for you.
oh, here it goes. All right.
So you beat your friend. Oh, yeah.
All right.
That's what they got. I mean, so, yeah. Well, they talk to the victim and. Well, yeah, they just didn't wanna, they probably didn't wanna deal with that because it could be something that they like. Yeah. They both knew it was something. Yeah.
What is going on? Huh? Yeah, thank you. Take that.
Yeah. So, you went golfing, you talked to your girl this week?
Thompson.
Oh, that's all right.
I'm back.
He can't be ready.
Where'd the judge go?
I could go, he went for a walk.
I didn't see him out there. Tell him that PCC is ready.
Yeah.
Oh, look at that. Oh, thank you. Good job. Good catch, good catch. Yes. You ready, Kim? Yep. Calling case number 2356971. The people of the state of Michigan versus William Thompson. Here, defendant is charged with count 1, assault with intent to murder. Count 2, assault with intent to do great bodily harm less than murder or by strangulation. Count 3, assault with a dangerous weapon, felonious assault. Count 4, weapons, firearms, possession by a felon. Count 5, count 6, count 7, count 8, weapons, felony, firearm, habitual offender, second notice. This matter is scheduled for a probable cause conference.
Good morning, Judge Giles on behalf of the people, P number P86590.
And good morning, Your Honor. Catherine O'Mara, P53823 on behalf of Mr. Thompson.
All right, Mr. Thompson, can you state your name one more time for the record, please? Excuse me.
William Thompson.
Thank you, sir. All right, Samira will send this matter for exam.
Yes, Your Honor, and I was just spot appointed, so I'm asking for the discovery as soon as possible from the prosecutor.
I'm standing in for Prosecutor Laura in her session, but I will let her know.
Okay.
All right, well, just send the order in just in case, if you don't get it dismissed. You available June 5th at 10 o'clock?
No, Your Honor, I have a trial starting at Frank Murphy on the 5th. I was thinking I could do the 8th. I have 3 matters at Frank Murphy, but if it was later in the morning, I could do it on the 8th.
The 8 works for the prosecutor. In the morning.
June 8th at 10:30? Will work?
Yeah, that should be fine. You know, I could go back to Frank Murphy later if I don't get the other stuff done first. So if I email an order to your court, that would be sufficient, Judge?
Yes.
What's the email there that you want me to send it to?
Put it in chat.
Okay, thank you.
All right, did you get an opportunity to talk to Mr. Thompson?
I'm sorry.
Yes, I did, and I got his girlfriend's contact information. They took his phone, so I do have a way to contact him though, so.
Okay. All right, anything else?
No, I'll just wait here until I see the email in the chat and then I'll send oh, there it is. Okay, thank you.
Is it I'm sorry, is it Zoom or in court?
That'll be in person.
In person, June 8th, 10:30?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay, I appreciate it.
Okay.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Yeah, thank you.
All right, I'm good to go.
Yep,
Yes.
you're good to go.
All right, have a good one.
You too, take care.
10:30. Hearing's up in 438 case. At 10:30, Attorney Brush is upstairs on the case of Judge Sabri's Road.
Yeah, she's holding an exam.
Well, Mr. Rickards here, do we have his client?
Yeah, no. Is it okay if I plug my charger in there? Right now? Okay.
Just let me know you're doing it and then I'll save my file,
Oh, yeah.
just to make sure I don't lose it.
Yep.
You're good to go. Perfect.
You ready to go?
Yeah.
All right, sure. Judge, may I approach real quick? There is a witness who's not going to call officer because he was next to someone with COVID. I'm just asking, do you want me to ask for German? Let me do that, or I ask. My only thing is talking with, okay, Kitty as well. Even if I ask for a German, I don't know protocols, but he's exposed to, he literally test positive 4 days from now when we, if there's a German case, he must have it. And I think the best case would maybe be tell him to reissue because that gives a longer window. Assaulting a police officer. Yeah, so, two witnesses actually, both of them are ones in a different courtroom. And, he's not gonna make it in a federal case. And then this guy, was exposed to someone with COVID.
I can put it over, but now, I'm gonna put it over for like 2 weeks.
The big two.
Because we was near somebody with COVID.
Yeah.
So she's still got time.
Yeah, whatever. Okay, okay. All right, thank you.
He's on that one. You're a Wilson case, right?
Yes.
This is the YC right here.
Oh, perfect, I'll come to you as soon as I put this in.
Is the victim you okay? No, no way. Okay. I see.
Okay, perfect.
Tell you. Yeah.
Yeah, perfect.
We got 2 prisoners for long. COVID.
OIC contacted the machine there, that coming, the 1045 one, so whenever you're ready, we can call them. Are you defense attorney for Wilson? No, for Clay. Okay, then. I'm not anticipating maybe a year. Yeah, right now, yeah. What time is that supposed to be? 11, so. Oh. Anytime at 11 or after. That's right. Perfect. Fingers crossed, and keep trying.
Oh, that, yeah, that's what.
I just got to talk to me, said. She's on campus, so she should be.
The defendant said that the victim.
But she did make it, so when I was out there, she wasn't there.
The OSC called the victim and she in bed.
In bed?
Yeah.
She said, "Man." She said, "I'm asleep." I'll catch y'all. Is that? Hold on. You ready, Kim?
Yep.
Calling case number 2356911, the people of the state of Michigan versus Casey Wilson. Defendant is charged with count 1, robbery unarmed, count 2, larceny from the person, count 3, malicious destruction of personal property, $200 or more, but less than $1,000. Habitual offender. Second notice, this matter is scheduled for examination.
Good morning, Judge. I was swearing on behalf of the people, P number P86590.
May it please court, Your Honor, Tyrone Baker, appearing on behalf of Ms. Casey Wilson, present to my right, P number 62647.
Thank you. We're ready to go forward.
The people are unable to proceed as the necessary witness has failed to appear.
And based on that, I will respectfully ask the court to consider discussing.
Mr. Alfred.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay. Okay.
You want your copy, Mr. Wiggins?
Yes.
Yeah, 11:30.
Oh, yes.
All right.
This is yours.
Yeah.
45 minutes early.
Is she on the tether? Oh, you need a, she need a ROA.
I mean, it would seem logical, but it was spelled differently.
Oh, yeah.
Thank you.
Ms. Anderson.
What?
Here you go. Yeah, take it.
All right.
I know, right?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. Quick. This is very quick.
Rush just checked in, she's talking to her client because it's a witness form.
Witnesses here?
Yeah. Yep, that's it.
Nice.
Oh. Oh, it was delicious. Everybody bragged. Everybody bragged. Everybody. And he was mad because one of the leftovers.
Oh, he didn't have none.
He only had one piece. Right, that's what we should do. But we had some unexpected guests. So,
I'm sorry.
right. So. All right.
What is, I don't even.
Party's ready on Grant?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Must do.
Calling case number 2257625, the people of the state of Michigan versus Delicia Grant. Defendant is charged with count 1 fraud welfare over $500. This matter is scheduled for examination.
Good morning, Your Honor. Alex Peterson on behalf of the people, P80971. Good morning, Your Honor. Neighborhood Defender Service by Summers Brush, P number 85828. Appearing on behalf of Delicia Grant, who is present in the courtroom today. Ms. Grant, please state your name for the record. Delicia Grant. I believe it's come to a resolution. Yes, that's correct, Your Honor.
Accept it, because Judge Bryan's not gonna accept it. I'm gonna add on there something to the fact, whatever conditions set forth by the court, she'll probably accept it. She's not gonna accept this.
Okay, understood, Judge. Absolutely. I can have that.
I know.
All right, this is a plea to welfare fraud less than $500. 90-day misdemeanor. Sentence agreement. Agree to dismiss the welfare fraud, 500 or more. Delayed sentence pursuant to 7711. A restitution of $2,413.10, whatever conditions are set forth by the court, right?
That is correct, that's correct.
Right, raise your hand. Do you swear or affirm to the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes.
All right, put your hand down. State your name, please.
Deletion, right?
All right, Ms. Grant, you understand by pleading guilty, you're giving up certain constitutional rights of trial. You get up the right to a trial by judge or jury, you understand that?
Yes.
You get up the right to be presumed innocent until proven guilty beyond a reasonable doubt. You understand that?
Yes.
You give up the right to question and confront any witnesses the state has against you, and to use the court's subpoena power to force any witnesses you may have to come to court and testify on your behalf. You understand that?
Yes.
You're also given up the right to remain silent, not have that silence used against you, and the right to testify at your own trial if you so decide. You understand that?
Yes.
You understand all these rights I've gone over with you? I gotta hear you.
Yes.
You had an opportunity to talk to your attorney about these rights,
Yes.
and you are freely and knowingly waiving these rights to plead guilty because you are guilty. That's yes?
Yes.
Okay. I need factual basis, please.
Yes. Ms. Grant, I'm just gonna ask you a couple of questions, okay? Between October 2016 and October of 2017, were you receiving food assistance benefits from the state of Michigan? And during that time, were you receiving more benefits than you were entitled to? And was that amount less than $500? Yes. And when you had applied for those food stamp benefits, did you use a address in the city of Detroit? Yes. People are satisfied.
Yes.
Defense is satisfied, Your Honor.
I'm just gonna accept the plea. Man is gonna be referred to the probation department for a pre-sentence investigation report. We'll come back for sentencing. You guys make it?
Oh, shoot, I'm sorry.
All right.
Great, thank you. July 31st at 9 a.m.
July 31st, 9 a.m.
Thank you, Your Honor.
And you gotta wait for some paperwork. They'll call you from the probation department. You can come in for an interview. All right.
I got a late on the probation officer.
No, they're not gonna see you today, but they'll give you some paperwork and they'll give you a call. You have to come back down and see them. Okay. All right, thank you. This is Mr. Mr. Clay here.
No, I think it's KPS. No, fine.
It's warm outside.
It's nice out, really, we don't want to come to court.
I didn't want to come into.
You try. That's, Rashawn. Party's ready. I'm Rashawn Clay. Calling case number 2162518, the people of the state of Michigan versus Rashawn Clay. Defendant is charged with count 1, weapons carrying concealed. This matter is scheduled for examination. Defendant has failed to appear.
Good morning, Judge. Afternoon, on behalf of the people, P number P86590.
May it please the court, Neighborhood Defender Service of Detroit by Jeffrey Kaneki, P64800, on behalf of Mr. Clay. Your Honor, Mr. Clay has not appeared. I've reached out to him for the past week or so. Haven't had any response. I have no explanation.
The people motion for capers.
All right, name and show, any bonds previously submitted shall be forfeited. Bond set, $30,000 cash. Thank you, Judge. Assuming I am able to make contact, I'll let the court, your clerk know and set up a date for us to bring him in. Okay. Thank you, Judge. All right, thank you. Have a good day, everyone.
Thank you.
You too.
All right.
Mr. Morrison is here.
Okay.
This is the.
I don't think any.
They're in the office.
Oh,
Yes.
yeah.
I don't know if the attorney's still here.
I took it.
Sometimes they want to come.
She won.
And then if they don't show up.
Yeah,
Okay.
the,
Insufficient.
Sure, right.
attorney.
Okay.
Hello, this is Alex. Pretty good. Oh. Yeah. No, you can talk to me right now.
Ready, Counselor?
Yes, Your Honor.
Yeah.
Oh, we still waiting? You can have a seat.
You know, it's beautiful to be here where it's air conditioned, on Trace Murphy, there's no AC.
No?
They made some mistake thinking they'd be in the new complex. So they didn't get
Oh, yeah, there's nothing, that will never get listened.
And there's also a terrible chemical smell in elevators.
The jail had a flood, right?
Yeah.
That makes
It was a beautiful, sweaty, smelly morning.
Oh, that's not good.
No, they don't really think about it.
I don't know what we're moving up to. This is gonna be hard to go back and forth.
It's supposed to be last year, Jared? Opened last year. They were supposed to be this spring, and gotta keep moving it back. What's the name gonna get tired of it, say, my brother, I'm tearing it down. Are you ready, or you what?
Yeah, it's 11:15, so. I think it's gonna take a long time. This just depends on what I.
I know what you're saying, you're walking away.
Yeah, no, we're good, we're good.
Be sure.
So what?
Good. You ready?
Yep.
Okay. Step up, please.
Calling case number 23-56784, the people of the state of Michigan versus William Morissette. Defendant is charged with count 1, police officer assaulting, resisting, obstructing. This matter is scheduled for examination.
Good morning, Judge. Alex Moring on behalf of the people, P number P 86590.
Good morning, Your Honor. Sophia Nelson, Neighborhood Defender Service, P 77960 on behalf of Mr. Morissette, who is present here with me in court today. Mr. Morissette, please state your name for the record.
William Henry Morissette, third.
Thank you. Ready to proceed?
People are unable to proceed as the necessary witness has failed to appear.
The defense would move to dismiss, Your Honor.
Let's dismiss without prejudice.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah, I got it.
I got it.
Your Honor, is it possible to get an order for return of Mr. Morissette's fingerprints and mugshot?
No, you have to file that separate.
Okay, so I file a motion.
You gotta file a motion, you're supposed to have all these documents with it. Because I don't know if he has had another case, or this is his only case.
Only case.
Supposed to get something from the not Secretary of State, from the state police that said he didn't have anything else. And then you filed a motion, granted. They, get them destroyed or returned.
I will do that, thank you.
Oh, you might need to check it. They might have deleted that part about getting it from the state police now. They're kind of trying to open things up.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, one more, right?
Have a good one.
You too.
Yep.
That's 10 minutes.
Judge Miller. The COVID person. I didn't actually see homes. That's why I was like, one more time. See.
Oh, I don't know.
Yeah, that was that case, yeah. So, yeah.
Oh.
He was the OIC, and I was like, oh, man, I might need the officer who's.
Right.
And she's not here, so. Yeah.
Oh, what? I mean, what happened this weekend?
Well, I shot 41, and he shot a 41, so we tied.
You didn't say that.
Yeah, but I said I played good. You didn't ask it that long. A tie is as good as a win. A tie is as good as a win.
I don't know about that.
It's an improvement than losing by like the last time we played. I lost by 7 on the front and the back. I'm not counting that high. I mean, I just kind of stopped.
This was your friend you played with.
Yeah, Ryan. And then Tommy, another friend of mine. I played him Sunday, and but he's not that good, so it's kind of just more for like I help him out because he's like he shoots in the 60s, so it's like he likes to just get out and be outside. But I told him next time you and I play, you should like come there and be in the woods and like blow like noises of the blowhorn. Gosh. But it was a good time. We played Pine Knob in Clarkston. Nobody was even there. Like, and I was shocked because normally I was expecting like this was gonna take like 3 hours and 9 holes. We got there and teed off at 2. Last hole, 325. We did 9 holes. Well, teed off at 325. The 9th hole done at 3:35. 9 holes. Nobody was there. It was a good time. Memorial Weekend goes by so. I like Memorial Weekend, but then I don't because I feel like once it's over, the summer goes by so fast. It's just, and we'll have fall back and then winter, and it will repeat itself again. There was I was in Novi Monday, so there's a red light that says you cannot turn red during certain hours, 7 a.m. to 9 p.m. Some, up in Detroit, go to this area, don't go there. Turn it off. Hold over, right away, look back, and I go, what the heck? Pulls me over. Did you see the, you can't turn right on red, then you're gonna die. And I was like, no, I didn't see that. In my head, I was like, I wonder if holiday hours is that, but but he was a nice officer. He was like, he just explained, well, I'm gonna give you competing 0 points on your license, pay the ticket. But I was like, when I left, I was kind of joking with him. I go, you were looking for something. You're looking for Memorial Weekend, someone behind the wheel, maybe drinking. Because I was like, because immediately he looked at me and goes, oh, how you doing? He's like, oh, I'm doing well. And I could tell his body language went from like, oh, you're just went turn right. And I was like, yeah, I'll get my registration for you. But no, he was a nice officer. I was like, I waved at it. I waved at him. I was like, oh, thanks for the ticket. What? I haven't had one since 20. Yeah, I think it's 2018. Comes back, goes, oh, actually, it's 2017. 6 years. I don't know.
That's a good point, though.
Yeah, no, that's what he said to me. I go, you did your job, and help me out where you could, and that's what you can get. It's better than the points. That's what I said to him. Yeah. But living in the, but those are the trickiest ones. I always see those when you're pulling them. Is this a certain kind? I wish. Is it they made the white? Half of it, the left half is like yellow, so it's like instead of like having to look.
Well, they want to make it more comfortable.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Yeah. Once I'll never have to worry about that ever again.
Totally understand that.
Sure.
So we're done. Good, I mean, no officers want to show up.
Can you blame them for that?
Well, yes. I think it's been a long weekend, you know.
Right.
Some people want to keep it going.
Right.
Another she's, we got a Christian and Fraser again.
You expect.
Um, oh, defendant. Yeah, so I'm gonna talk to you both. I think I'm just going. One.
Serious.
You don't like.
Need a file for that.
I really don't help.
Why is that? Means that's yours.
You could have been the file for me.
Wait, you doing other stuff, I wait till you get time.
You know what?
Case is not even. Talking to yourself.
Give sign.
Waiting on.
Yeah.
No time.
Good morning.
You ready? Ready? Calling case number 235685 the people of the state of Michigan versus I Idasia Emerson. Defendant is charged with count 1, stolen property, receiving and concealing motor vehicle, count 2, police officer fleeing third-degree vehicle code. This matter is scheduled for examination.
Good morning, Judge Alex Wing, on behalf of the people, P number P 86590.
And good morning, may it please the Honorable Court, Sophia Curry, P 72103, appearing on behalf of Idasia Emerson, who is present and stands to my right. Ms. Emerson, please state your name for the record. Idasia Emerson. And Your Honor, at this time, I've had a conversation with my client regarding preliminary examination, limited purpose of that examination. She also understands that she has a right to have that examination, but if she waives that right, she cannot come back at a later date and ask the court to hold that examination. We had this discussion yesterday, correct, about the preliminary exam, correct? And you wish to waive your right to an exam today. And you realize you're going to be automatically bound over to the Third Circuit Court.
Ms. Emerson, I know the attorney just went over it, but I gotta go over it too. You understand that you have a statutory right to a preliminary exam. The state must show by probable cause a crime was committed
And by probable cause, you had something to do with committing that crime, you understand that?
I need you to speak up.
Yes.
Anybody promise you anything or threaten you in any way to get you to waive your right to preliminary exam? Well, let me break it down. Anybody threaten you in any way to get you to waive your exam?
No.
Did anybody make any promises to you to get you to waive your exam?
No.
You're waiving your exam freely and voluntarily after having opportunity to talk to your attorney about it.
Yes.
Do you have any objection?
No, Judge.
All right, court finds you freely and voluntarily waive your right to preliminary exam and is bound over to Wayne County Circuit Court Criminal Division for arraignment on the information, which will be June 13th at 9 o'clock.
Thank you.
Please, Judge.